Hey guys, this is Hope. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on starting a successful dropshipping business in 2025. We're diving deep into e-commerce, showing you how to build a profitable business from the ground up. We'll cover everything you need to know from choosing a niche to scaling your business. So do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Also switch on the notification button to be informed next time we post. So buckle up, grab your notebooks and let's get started. The first step to building any successful business is finding a profitable niche. We're talking about a niche that's in high demand and has the potential to make you serious cash. You don't want to be stuck selling generic phone cases that everyone else is already hawking. You want to find those hidden gems, those unique products that people are clamoring for. This is where your research skills come into play. Use tools like Google Trends, stock social media platforms, and checkout platforms like Jungle Scout and Obolo for e-commerce analytics. Remember, you're not just picking a product, you're picking an audience. Who are you targeting? What are their pain points? What solutions can you offer? Look for products with a good margin. Something that you can sell for a profit after accounting for all your expenses. The more passionate you are about your niche, the easier it will be to market your products and build a loyal customer base. So do your homework, trust your gut, and let's find that winning niche. Now that you've found your golden niche, it's time to talk about sourcing those amazing products. This is where dropshipping comes in. Dropshipping is a business model where you don't have to handle any inventory. Instead, you partner with a reliable supplier who takes care of all the storage and shipping for you. Think of it like having a silent business partner who handles all the logistics while you focus on marketing and selling. But choosing the right supplier is crucial to your success. You need a partner who's reliable, trustworthy, and offers high-quality products at competitive prices. Do your due diligence. Platforms like AliExpress, Spocket, Salehoo, and Printful Printify are great places to start your search. These platforms have a wide variety of suppliers to choose from, so take your time, browse through their catalogs and compare prices. But remember, price isn't everything. You also need to consider shipping times, product quality, and customer reviews. Look for suppliers with good ratings, fast shipping times, and a proven track record of delivering quality products. A good supplier can make or break your business. Take your time, do your research, and find a partner you can trust to deliver the goods. Now, it's time to build your online storefront, the virtual hub of your dropshipping empire. This is where customers will browse your products, learn about your brand, and ultimately hit that buy button. But with so many e-commerce platforms out there, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. Do you go with the popular and user-friendly Shopify, the flexible and customizable WooCommerce, or maybe the feature-rich BigCommerce? The choice is yours. But here's the key. No matter which platform you choose, make sure your store is a digital masterpiece. Think of it as your online showroom. It needs to be visually appealing, easy to navigate, and optimized for conversions. We're talking about a clean, professional design that reflects your brand identity, high-quality product images that make your products pop off the screen, clear and concise product descriptions that highlight the benefits and features. Remember, your website is often the first impression customers have of your brand, so make it count. Chapter 4. Set up your payment system. All right, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, money, specifically how you're going to receive those hard-earned dollars from your eager customers. Setting up a secure and reliable payment system is crucial for any online business, and dropshipping is no exception. You need to make it as easy as possible for customers to pay you, and that means offering a variety of payment options. Platforms like PayPal, Stripe, and Shopify Payments are all popular choices that offer secure and reliable payment processing. But remember, not all payment gateways are created equal. Do your research, compare transaction fees, and make sure the gateway you choose is available in the countries you plan to target. A smooth and secure checkout process can be the difference between a completed sale and an abandoned cart. Chapter 5. Optimize for SEO. Now that your store is up and running, it's time to make sure people can actually find it. This is where SEO, or search engine optimization, comes in. In a nutshell, SEO is the art of making your website more visible in search engine results pages like Google. The higher you rank, the more organic traffic you'll get, and the more potential customers will find their way to your store. Start by using keyword research tools like Ahrefs, Ubersuggest, or even Google's own keyword planner to identify relevant keywords that your target audience is searching for. Once you have a list of keywords, it's time to optimize your website content. This means strategically incorporating your keywords into your product titles, descriptions, image alt tags, and even your website's meta descriptions. But remember, SEO isn't just about stuffing your website with keywords. It's also about creating high-quality, informative, and engaging content that people actually want to read. Consider starting a blog or creating valuable content around your niche. Chapter 6. Market your dropshipping store. All right, you've got your store, your products, and your SEO strategy down pat. Now it's time to unleash the marketing magic and bring in those customers. In today's digital age, there are countless ways to market your dropshipping store, but some channels are more effective than others. Social media marketing is a must for any e-commerce business. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest are teeming with potential customers just waiting to discover your amazing products, create engaging content, run targeted ads, collaborate with influencers, and build a loyal following that resonates with your brand. Google Ads is another powerful tool that can drive targeted traffic to your store, and don't underestimate the power of email marketing. Building an email list allows you to nurture relationships with potential customers, offer exclusive deals, and keep your brand top of mind. Congratulations, you've made it. Customers are flocking to your store, adding items to their carts, and hitting that checkout button. But your job isn't done yet. In fact, it's only just begun. Customer service and retention are the lifeblood of any successful dropshipping business. In the world of online shopping, where customers can't physically interact with your products or your team, providing exceptional customer service is crucial for building trust, loyalty, and repeat business. Respond to customer queries promptly and professionally, addressing any concerns or issues with empathy and understanding. Make the return or exchange process as seamless as possible, offering hassle-free solutions that leave customers feeling valued and respected. Remember, acquiring new customers is significantly more expensive than retaining existing ones. In the ever-evolving world of e-commerce, complacency is not an option. To stay ahead of the curve and ensure your dropshipping empire continues to thrive, you need to constantly monitor your store's performance, analyze the data, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your strategies. Think of it like fine-tuning a high-performance engine. Track key metrics like website traffic, conversion rates, customer lifetime value, and return on ad spend to identify areas for improvement and maximize your profitability. Utilize powerful analytics tools like Google Analytics or Shopify Analytics to gain valuable insights into your customers' behavior. Use the insights you gather to make informed decisions about your product offerings, marketing strategies, and overall customer experience. You've laid the groundwork, built a solid foundation, and now it's time to take your dropshipping empire to the next level, scaling your business for massive growth. Scaling a dropshipping business is all about working smarter, not harder. It's about leveraging technology, automation, and strategic partnerships to streamline your operations, increase efficiency, and maximize your profit potential. One of the most effective ways to scale your dropshipping business is to expand your product offerings. By adding new products to your store, you can attract a wider audience, increase your average order value, and tap into new markets. Conduct thorough market research, identify products that complement your existing offerings, and ensure they align with your target audience's needs and interests. As your business grows, so too will your marketing budget. Experiment with different ad platforms, target new audiences, and continuously optimize your campaigns to maximize your return on investment. And there you have it, future dropshipping moguls. We've covered everything from finding your niche and choosing a supplier to building your store, marketing like a pro, and scaling your business to the moon. Remember, dropshipping is a marathon, not a sprint. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on building a successful dropshipping business. Drop any questions you have in the comments below, and we'll be sure to get back to you.